Here it is, September 6, 2022. We're into the 46th week of major construction. Time is 6:11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Down at the West Paseo, checking out the what's going on down here today. We're just getting back after a long Labor Day holiday weekend. So just starting to get back on to what they were working on before. Working on their concrete forms down here. So there's not a whole lot going on right here. I'm not even sure there'll be that much that's different from when I was down here on Sunday. Likely not. And so I'm just going to shoot a little bit up here this morning. And this is just a view from up on the A-line building down to the West Paseo. So not a whole lot different from when I was down here on Sunday. So I'm just gonna shoot just a little bit of this, and then I'm gonna move around some other spots and see if there's anything worth shooting today. Alrighty. Right, here I am coming up by AZ88. Got some stuff going on over here in the construction area for the new bar. The line project over there. See what's happening out here. Getting this all torn out along here. Still haven't torn out the sidewalk. No, but there's some anticipation of that because you see AZ88s pull all of their stuff back off their patio there. So I'm just going to shoot a little bit here. It's probably not that much to see. See back over there. I think those large crates that I walked by on Sunday may contain parts for the canopy. I was looking at it and thinking on it over the last few days, and I think those are probably pieces of the canopy and shipped in those crates that they'll use to assemble the canopy over here. So let me stop this and move on out of here. They may be getting ready to start tearing out this sidewalk here pretty soon. Right, here I am down at the West Bowl at my Stair Perch, looking across the West Bowl area here. It's not a whole lot different from this weekend. They still haven't poured some of this concrete down below me here. Let me go on up a little bit higher. Got across the over to the East Bowl there. Sun's up pretty good now. Time is 6:23 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So just looking into the glare of the sun there. I don't think there's going to be much to shoot down here either. Just sort of a recon day, really. I was just down here on Sunday and they were off on Monday, so not really a whole lot to see. So maybe more activity down in the East Bowl today. They are starting to work their concrete forms on around here. So let me call this good, and then I may start my move around to the East Bowl here. Alrighty. All right, here I am down at the lagoon at City Hall in the Civic Lawn, looking across to the 360-degree canopy. We do have a little activity down on this end today. They poured concrete here for the entranceway into City Hall over here. Some of it looked like it was poured maybe on Friday or something. It's already set. And they've poured a little bit more that they're working on now. And up here by the bridge, they've got some poured. So they've got the concrete poured up through here. So something happening there. You can see people working over in the East Bowl back over there. I'll be around there in a few minutes, I think. Let me pan on back around here. Not a whole lot going on, but I think we'll see them this week get a lot more done on the canopy over there. I wouldn't be surprised if they get the struts all set up and maybe start putting up some of the canopy itself. We'll see. That could progress this week. Down below us here, there's trench work alongside the lagoon here that's underway. So stuff happening down here in the East Bowl. Is not exactly a huge day down here, but stuff's getting done. I can see just across the top of the bridge, I can see heads of people down in the little water feature there. That'll be the water and fog plaza. People working on that, getting that fixed up. And like I said, back over here, they're pouring some concrete, or they poured concrete now. They're just doing their smoothing work. So, getting that fixed up. Helicopter taking off from the hospital over there, heading out. So let me get down here. I'm going to walk over here by these guys for a second. We got this port here. Getting this all fixed up by the bridge there. Doing some smoothing work. So getting the front of City Hall all fixed up here. So that's looking good. Alrighty, I think I'll end this here. And I may shoot one more thing here. I've got a new cam app, Beastcam, I'm going to test out here just for a few minutes. Alrighty. Alright, here I am shooting with my Beastcam app. I'm thinking about using this some too. FiLMiC Pro is looking to go to a subscription model, which means it'll become much more expensive to use. So I'm thinking that I can use Beastcam instead at times, depending on how FiLMiC Pro goes. But if I can't use it anymore, I may switch over to Beastcam. So I'm just testing this out now and see how this works. It's a very nice app. It's a little bit different layout than FiLMiC Pro, but it seems quite capable. In some ways it's not quite as, doesn't have quite some of the advanced shooting features in the way of ProRes, but we'll see. It has ProRes, but it's ProRes 709, and in FiLMiC Pro I'm using ProRes 2020, so this is just a test. I'm going to have to try to put this into a high dynamic range timeline track in Final Cut Pro. So this will just be a test of how well I can combine these two together or use one or the other as needed. So this is just a little bit of test footage here. Alrighty. Alright. Here I am down at the East Bowl now, shooting over to the area where they're building the superstructure for the East Bowl stage over there. It's coming along, looking good. Not much difference from when I was down here on Sunday, really. I'll just pan around here. Not a whole lot's changed today. This will just be kind of a short recon shoot. We're just getting back to work after about 3 days off here for Labor Day weekend, so I'll just shoot a little bit here, call it good, end up my day here, come back on Thursday probably, see if they got anything else done. Did see them finishing up the sidewalk there in front of City Hall, so that's a little bit of something. But I'm going to finish this up here with a look at the East Bowl stage superstructure, and then I'm going to head back home and get this all fixed up. Alrighty.